Hi, today I have Samsung Galaxy S24 and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. Our first step to manage it is opening Google Chrome application. In it, we tap on three dots on the right corner and there choose settings. Now we tap on password manager and there we can manage our Google passwords. First step, we can manage maybe our Google Drive account. We click there, but we need to have our lock screen to manage it. Will be set fast pattern lock screen. And after we enter our lock screen, we get connected to this password. In it, using this first icon, we can copy our username and passwords, or after we press this eyes icon, our smartphone shows us password which remember. Next function is sharing this password to someone by this icon, and we can set it to someone or edit something in it by tap on edit. And now we can write something in username, passwords, or note to that. But remember, when you change something, press save. The last thing which we can do with it is delete this password from our device by delete and confirm by delete again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.